Guys, most hardware wallets still feel like something from 10 years ago. Small screens, weird buttons, and overall not something you'd actually enjoy using every day. And when it comes to security tools, that experience matters more than people think. Now imagine a hardware wallet that actually feels like a modern gadget, something closer to a smartphone than a USB stick. I am Daniel, and on this channel, I test gadgets and devices to give you a clear picture of what they are really like before you buy. Today, folks, we're unboxing the OneKey Pro, and this one is trying to completely rethink how a hardware wallet should look and feel. Because this isn't just about storing your crypto, it's about how comfortable and natural that whole experience actually is day to day. And guys, before we dive into this one, all the useful links and exclusive discounts are waiting for you in the description below. Let's open this up. Alright mates, let's start with the box. Straight away, this feels premium. Clean design, nothing flashy, but you get that new tech feeling the moment you pick it up. Inside, everything is pretty straightforward. You've got the wallet itself, a USB-C cable, recovery sheets, and a bit of documentation to get you started. Nothing unnecessary, but everything you actually need to set it up properly. And one thing I like here, friends, is how security-focused the whole experience feels. Even the device comes sealed, so you know it hasn't been touched before you got it. It's a small detail, but it builds trust right from the start. Now let's take a look at the device itself. Folks, first impression, this does not look like a typical hardware wallet. It genuinely looks like a mini smartphone, and that's probably the best way to describe it. You've got a full 3.5-inch touchscreen, a sleek aluminum body, and this glossy finish that wraps around the whole device. It's lightweight, fits nicely in the hand, and you don't have to adjust your grip just to reach different parts of the screen. What I also like, mates, is how simple it is physically. There's basically one button on the side, and it doubles as a fingerprint scanner. So instead of constantly typing a PIN, you can just unlock it naturally, like you would on your phone. On the bottom there's USB-C for charging, and on the back, something you don't usually see, a camera. And no, it's not for photos, it's for scanning QR codes when you're approving transactions in a more secure way. Overall, it just feels like a proper modern device, not some niche crypto gadget. Alright folks, so once you turn it on, the experience is actually pretty smooth. The screen is large enough that you're not squinting or worrying about pressing the wrong thing, which is honestly a big deal for something like this. Everything feels responsive, and the buttons are big enough that you don't accidentally tap the wrong option. If you've ever used smaller hardware wallets, you know exactly why this matters. Setting it up is also pretty straightforward. You create a new wallet or import an existing one, set your PIN, and optionally add your fingerprint. That fingerprint part takes a few tries to get right, but once it's set, it just makes everything faster. And what I like here is that it doesn't feel intimidating. Even if you're not super deep into crypto, you can figure it out without feeling lost. Guys, before we continue, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my future unboxings and reviews. Thanks! Now mates, here's where things get more interesting. This is still a cold wallet, which means your private keys stay offline and protected from anything connected to the internet. But the way it handles that security feels more flexible than what you usually get. For example, you can use it normally with a cable or Bluetooth, but you also have this air-gapped mode. Basically, the wallet disconnects completely, and you approve transactions using QR codes, so nothing is physically connected when you sign something. Guys, that's one of those features that some people will really care about, especially if they are more security-focused. At the same time, you still get a lot of convenience. The wallet works across pretty much any device, phone, desktop, so you're not locked into one setup. Now, friends, let's talk about security, because this is where it actually matters. Inside the device, there are secure element chips that are designed to protect your private keys, even if someone physically gets access to the device. That's already standard for high-end wallets. But what stands out here is the transparency side. The whole system is open source. That means the code is public, and anyone can verify how it works. You're not just trusting a company, you can actually see what's happening under the hood. And in crypto, that don't trust, verify idea is kind of everything. So you're getting both sides here. Strong hardware protection and the ability to verify what the software is doing. Now here's something I didn't expect at first, but it actually makes a lot of sense. You can use this as a security key for your regular online accounts. So instead of just protecting your crypto, it can also help secure things like your Google or GitHub logins. And that's where it becomes more than just a crypto device. Because even if you're not trading every day, you still care about protecting your accounts. And having one device that does both just makes the whole setup simpler. Alright guys, so here's how I see it. The OneKey Pro is not just trying to be another hardware wallet, it's trying to fix the experience around using one. And honestly, that's something the space really needed. It looks good, feels modern, and more importantly, it's actually easy to use without sacrificing security. That balance is hard to get right, but this gets pretty close. So if you've been putting off getting a hardware wallet because they all feel outdated, this might be the one that finally makes sense. Remember to check the links in the description for additional information and discounts. If you found this review helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.